Holdout 3. Let's take it down. Pretty easy to do. We'll bring in our bounty hunter. He will give us all the distraction that we need. And then our wastelanders will kill everything that attacks us. Now we just spread these guys out. Just make a circle around. And what they'll do is they will just, everything is trying to kill these guys in the middle. And so you're just going to distract them. And let's put some up here. Let's put another one over here. Just more or less a circle. Put him over here. Put him here. Close enough. All right. Put them all on hold. Move our bounty hunter in the middle. And now you're going to spread out the enemy all around the circle. You just want them to, because as everything comes, they'll try to attack these men. So we're just going to make a circle inside the circle. They will ignore the wastelanders. So give the troops that are coming something to shoot at and just slowly fill your base. Get a little bit on every side, depending on where they come from. And basically you're done. That's all you have to do. Now we're just going to fill the base like this. I don't know if there's, this is level 3. I think we might have one of those little vehicles. We'll see when we get near the end. If we do, at the end, we bring in, I have Dev in the tune, but I don't bring him in because they're going to try to shoot Dev. Right now we want them to shoot these guys. Oh, I got no distraction here, so they're shooting at my wastelanders. Get some people over here. Yep. Again, you try to have a little bit all around, and these guys are pretty far apart from each other, so let's bring them a little closer. Put them on hold. Again, just get the troops in there so that they shoot the troops. It's not your wastelanders, but we won't get a whole lot of damage. See, now they're starting to shoot these guys in here because they're there. And we're going to need some over here. See, they're shooting here, and then the wastelanders are killing them all. Just try to evenly distribute them as you go. As you can see, these guys get close and they die. So the wastelanders have better range than the things that are attacking. Because the things that are attacking are trying to get the guys in the middle. See, they're shooting here, and the wastelanders say, I think you will be removed. So let's see what's coming here. You can see what's coming. Let's get some more over here. Just try to spread them out. There you go. Let's get some more down here. Fill this gap, fill that gap. Just evenly spread them out so that they don't shoot your wastelanders. Coming up here, let's get some up here. Again, that's all we're doing. You don't even have to do anything. Just wait. They will come and they will be willing to die for you. It's just that easy. Wave 2. See, right now, you just sit and wait. If the machine comes in from the top, we're going to bring Dev in, and Dev will distract him while the wastelanders kill him. And let's put some over here. Again, this is just subjective. Put them wherever you think they need to go. But nothing really gets close enough. The Wastelanders take them out before they get close enough. Let's do right there. Maybe put some in here. All right, here they're starting to come. There may be, let's see what we got here. They're all starting to come. I think one of them comes from up here eventually. But when they do, I'm going to bring my dev in to distract him. We will find out soon enough. Even the spiders, with electric, they stop, a couple shots and they're dead. Let's put some more up here. Okay, these guys are the precursor. Yep, okay, so I'm going to bring Dev in because I think he comes from up here. Yep, there he is. There he is. There he is. So we just want to distract him. Chase me. Chase me. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Dev won't get any damage at all, and the Wastelanders will kill him as he's going past them. Come on. Chase me. Chase me. Come on. That's it. Just that easy. Just that quick. You get extra XP. You get some bonuses. All right, let's send them home. See how much damage they got. There shouldn't be much. Go into the base. And you see you get bonuses. All right, come on. So you see 150 and 100. So you continue to get the, that's how you get the big bonus. All right, what do we have? We have to repair 8 minutes. Okay, we don't really have 8 minutes. We will end up having nothing. Just get rid of a few of these guys. And we should get instant repair. Instant repair. That's it. It's just that simple, just that quick.